Welcome back to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. I'm glad you're with us. I'm your host, Lisa Parsons. Today's story is about manufacturing. This is fascinating and really highlights the rapid transformation we're seeing in manufacturing with Industry 4.0. Smart factories are no longer just a concept. They're a strategic necessity for global competitiveness. And at the core of this shift is AI and edge computing. The market for AI in manufacturing is booming, driven by the need for operational efficiency, predictive maintenance, and top-notch quality control. We're talking about high latency, massive bandwidth costs for factory data, and crucial data security. Edge AI brings that processing power directly to the factory floor, to the sensors, robots, and machines. This enables real-time analytics and immediate action without constant reliance on the cloud, which is just critical for things like autonomous robotics. Let's talk about the key players in this specific partnership. Intel, as a foundational player in computing hardware, has been strategically positioning itself with industrial-grade processors and its OpenVINO toolkit. OpenVINO is crucial because it optimizes AI inferencing across Intel hardware, making it much easier to deploy those AI models right at the edge. They're providing that underlying compute power and ecosystem, marking the gap between the raw technology and actual value-generating business solutions on the factory floor. It's a powerful combination. While we see other giants like NVIDIA with their NGAWs and Jetson platforms, or cloud players like AWS and Microsoft extending their services to the edge, this Intel Accenture team-up offers a really comprehensive, integrated solution. The implications of this collaboration and the broader trend of edge AI in smart factories are huge. Think about operational efficiency and productivity. Real-time data analysis means immediate process adjustments and less waste, and that means significant cost savings. Predictive maintenance, powered by edge AI, can anticipate equipment failures, dramatically reducing unplanned downtime and extending the lifespan of valuable assets. Edge AI, particularly with computer vision, can perform instantaneous and highly accurate quality inspections on production lines, far exceeding human capabilities. Let's pause here for a short break. We'll be right back after this bumper. Welcome back. If you find this useful, follow and subscribe to AI Weekly News. Now let's continue the news. This directly impacts product quality, consistency, and for automation, real-time perception at the edge is vital for advanced robotics and autonomous guided vehicle. Intel and Accenture formally announced their collaboration to bring these advanced edge AI solutions to smart factory deployments globally. They're explicitly targeting those limitations of cloud-only AI solutions like latency and bandwidth, predictive maintenance, quality, control, robotic automation, all designed to process data and make decisions at the edge for immediate responsiveness. Looking ahead, the future outlook points to increasingly intelligent and autonomous factories. Edge AI will become pervasive, embedded in almost every piece of industrial equipment, creating a hyper-connected, self-optimizing ecosystem. We'll see advanced AI models and even elements of generative AI potentially deployed at the edge as hardware improves. This could enable on-the-fly anomaly detection and adaptive manufacturing processes, and the rollout of 5G and private industrial networks will further accelerate this, providing the ultra-low latency between edge devices. 10, an exciting future. So, this partnership between Intel and Accenture isn't just a minor development. It is a strategic move to standardize and accelerate the deployment of next-gen manufacturing capabilities. It's setting the stage for a new era of highly efficient, resilient, and adaptive industrial production. Thank you for listening to AI Weekly News by Cyber Intel Systems. Subscribe and join us next week for the latest AI stories. We'll let the music take it from here.